Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. This is me Iman Fatma and this video is about picture description. Describe the picture in your own words. First of all, you have to look at the picture carefully for 10 to 15 seconds. So let's start. This is the picture of a lake. There are many children. Two kids are building a sand castle. The castle is almost finished. A boy and a girl are playing with a ball. The weather is good. There is a sailboat in the lake. Nobody is sailing. There is a tent. There are mountains in the background. A man is sitting on a bench and he is busy in his phone. There is a dog and it is playing with a ball. There is a woman who is using her laptop. A boy and a girl is playing badminton. There are 3 fish diving in water. 2 boys are playing on swings. There is a small hut near the swing. There are 4 trees. A man is walking in the picture. Now, try this activity with some other pictures. If you like this video, like it and subscribe my channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.